The secret to garage door springs. Welcome to Garage Door Springs 101. Springs might seem simple, but they're the powerhouse of your garage door system. In this video, we break down the absolute basics you need to know about garage door springs. No jargon, just clear explanations. We'll cover what garage door springs are and their essential job. The difference between torsion and extension springs explained visually. Why understanding springs is key for garage door safety and maintenance. Top safety tips and why DIY spring repair is a huge mistake. Whether you're a new homeowner or just curious, this video will give you a solid foundation in garage door spring knowledge. Watch now and become a garage door spring expert, well, at least a knowledgeable beginner.